one super tip on getting started in real estate investing?
Do some research, and make sure whatever realtor you're, first of all, a lot of people think, oh my gosh, this is the DIY world and I can do it myself. I run into that with a lot of people that want to get into house flipping because they've watched it on HGTV. Don't do it. And there's also a lot of people that propose to be experts in that field and want to sell you their process or sell you their deal on how to do it and how to get involved and how to, it's just a whole lot. In fact, there's one in Southern California, and I'll leave his name unknown unless you want to ask me at a later date when it's not, published and he can sue me, that wants to charge you $50,000 to get involved in his thing so that you can, do his deal, and he doesn't do a damn thing for you. I've been to his seminars and I've found all the holes. So
Aww.
yeah, it's not a good, and unfortunately people that want to get involved in that space are easily taken advantage of. So just find someone with integrity and someone that doesn't doesn't mind answering questions and doesn't want to charge you for that, unless you're just going to really, hang out with them and, be there 24/7. That's a little different, but still, if you just have a question or two or whatever, in fact, I meet a lot of different little investors at the house and go, need to make sure you consider this, make sure you look at this, bring your contractors with you. I know how I can tell you how you can stack your subs, all of these things that need to go with that process so that you understand what you're stepping into before you do it.